Landscape deals with the planting of ornamental plants in such a way that it creates a picturesque effect. It requires a certain understanding of horticulture and artistic design, but is not limited to plants. Sculpting the land to enhance usability, like patios, walkways, ponds, and water features, is also an example of landscaping in use. Landscape involves growing and arranging ornamental plants to create an aesthetically pleasing landscape. This can be a small area near a building, or a large park with a transitioning theme in the plants used. Landscape also includes the care requirements of these plants and ongoing maintenance. Landscape horticulture includes a range of specialty areas, like plant identification, landscape design, plant cultivation, and nursery and garden centers. It includes plants for the landscape, including lawn turf, but particularly nursery crops such as shrubs, trees, and vines. Landscaping allows different species of plants to grow and be nurtured, provided with an adequate amount of water, good quality of soil, and sunlight. Plants improve the air quality around your home by capturing dust, smoke particles, and other pollutants, and they produce oxygen. For more information, call or WhatsApp 868-736-9040 or visit www.houseplants.co.in.